Hello, teacher.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Okay, sit down, please. Let me start our lesson. The topic of our lesson, the photoelectric effect, a photon, the photon energy. Look at the video. Look at the video.
It was discovered that radiation makes metal plates positively charged. In 1899, it had already been established that metal plates become charged because of the fact that electrons are ejected from their surfaces. To study the phenomenon, scientists used various types of a simple instrument consisting of an evacuated glass bulb with two metal electrodes enclosed in it. When electromagnetic radiation strikes a metal surface, electric current flows through the circuit. The electric field generated in the bulb, thanks to a battery connected appropriately to the circuit, makes most of the electrons reach the other electrode. When the voltage increase in current could occur, the current in the circuit is directly proportional to the intensity of the radiation.
On the next video, you may see photo effect electrons or photoelectron effect. The photoelectric effect.
When we connect the positive pole of a cell to an illuminated electrode, the electric field generated in this way will slow down, rather than accelerate floating electrons. The electrons are slowed down by the electric field, and only part of them, those with the greatest initial speed, are able to reach the other electrode. Due to an increase in braking voltage, fewer and fewer